Hi everyone, I'm Yana Skeleton, and today we are diving into biotechnologies, one of the coolest and fast-growing areas in science. Whether you heard of GMOs, DNA fingerprinting, or even CRISPR, biotech is everywhere around us. It's changing the way we live, treating diseases, growing food, and also solving crimes. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is all about using living things like bacteria, plants, or cells to solve problems or make products. It actually started a long time ago. For example, when people first used to make yeast out of bread and water, bread and beer, that was an early form of biotechnology. But now things are way more advanced. Scientists use genetic engineering and recombinant DNA to do amazing stuff like making insulin for people with diabetes or even growing organs in labs. One of the most talked about tools is CRISPR/Cas9, which lets scientists edit genes almost like using scissors and to cut and paste DNA. Real life uses. In medicine, biotech helps create vaccines, grow cells in labs, and treat diseases by inserting healthy genes into sick ones. A process called gene therapy is also helping doctors fight cancer and genetic disorders. In agriculture, we use GMOs, genetically modified organisms, to make crops that resist bugs, diseases, and bad weather. This helps farmers grow more food with fewer chemicals, and foreign sinks. Scientists use DNA fingerprinting to help solve crimes by matching DNA to suspects or a crime scene. Other tools include PCR, which copies tiny bits of DNA millions of times, and gel electrophorese, which helps separate pieces of DNA to study them. And in the environment, biotech is used in biomedication. That means we use microbes to clean up oil spills, break down plastic, or remove harmful chemicals from water and soil. The big question: even though biotech is super useful, it brings some big ethical questions. Should we be allowed to edit human embryos? What about cloning animals or even people? Who owns the right to a person's genes once they are patented? These are the kind of questions that scientists, lawmakers, and everyday people are still trying to figure out. So yeah, biotech is a big deal. It's helping us treat diseases, grow better food, and clean up our environment, and unlock the secrets of life. The more we learn, the more important it becomes to ask questions and think about how we use this with science. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring how science is shaping the world. Thanks for listening.